Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are the brand new cases from iBlason. This is a Samsung Note 20 5G Ultra. Although the phone just got pre-release and supposed to drop on the August 21st. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this and show you guys what the cases look like. So I got 4 other cases. Wow. Let's go ahead and check them out with the description here. This one is the Cosmo Marble. Let's go ahead and open this up. So here's the thank you for being awesome card. And here's the installation guide. Wow, look at that. Got the rose gold on the frame of the camera, on the flashes. And around the edges. And then you need to pry out over here on the corner to take out the top of the frame. And this is like a pink rose gold. It says Cosmo series. Go ahead and check out this. This one is the Aries Black. So this one's to watch on how to install it. So, wow, so many cards. So this one comes with the, this one does not come with the built-in screen protector. Probably because of the finger, on-screen finger reader. Sometimes it doesn't pick up, you have a screen protector. So this one is plain black with a clear backing, and you got the outline of the gray on the side, and then top and bottom, and you got the matte black around the camera lenses. And this one is the gray color, the top of the frame. It's a polycarbonate. Go ahead and check out this one. This one's the Cosmo Marble. Maybe it's for the smaller one. So yeah, the Samsung Note 20 Ultra is 6.9 inch. So yeah, I believe this is a smaller version. It's Note 20. Yeah. So the Note 20 is 6.7 inch. You see, it's not off, not by much. But the problem with the Note 20, they have a plastic backing and it doesn't support 120 hertz. So yeah, these are the same. You can see the camera smaller and bigger. And then this is Aries black again. So I wanted to give a shout out for iBlason for sending me this case to do the review for you guys before the phone comes out. So you get to determine which case is good for you guys to go and then purchase. So yeah, it's the same. This is gray. And again, you got the clear backing. And you got all the protective buttons. The microphone, the charging port, the speaker grill, and then the stylus. Let me get my Note 10 Plus to see the difference. Alright, so this is my Note 10 Plus. Just try to fit in here and see. Wow. Wow, so almost same size. Due to the 6.9 inch, it is 0.1 inch bigger. That's why you got a little gap. But the width is the same, except the height. You see that little gap right there. But they swapped the stylus. Instead of on this side, it's on this side now. So, and then I heard the stylus is the same size as Samsung Note 10 Plus. So yeah, it's kind of fit. So check out this one. Yeah, this one is small. Well, yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. And be sure to check out the link within the description so you guys can check out the cases for different types of phone. They even have it for Apples, iPhones, and stuff like that. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.